And we're going to make a right turn at the stop sign. And let's make a left turn into the Rexall over here. And a right turn. We're going to do the forward parking between those two vehicles over there. I see you're looking under the mirror, right? Right on. Awesome. You're looking for that curve to appear there.
Yes.
That's good. That's great. Okay. Let's see. So now, in case they take you on a different route, I'm going to take you on a secondary one.
Okay.
It's not likely they will, because it's a little bit longer and it's a little bit more difficult, but it's pretty much, they ask you to do pretty much the same things.
Okay.
It's just that going that way instead of that way. So there's left turns involved in going this secondary route. More left turns.
Okay.
So if you're ready, then let's back it out to the left and we'll head out to the roadway.
Okay.
And when you're reversing, signal left. Just that way, if someone's in the lane, they'll see that flashing light right away. Yeah, right on. This one thing they don't get people to do is to back out of a space unless you go there and park your vehicle nose first.